So C.H.O.W has been around for about 42 years. We are a program of the Broome County Council of Churches. C.H.O.W stands for the Community Hunger Outreach Warehouse, and we partner with over 100 emergency food programs like pantries and community meals throughout the southern tier in upstate New York. So I think some of the main challenges that C.H.O.W faced were space. As a small food banking operation, we really don't have a large warehouse compared to some of the larger food banks in the country. We have about 7,200 square feet, and to distribute over 2 million pounds a year, we have to utilize that space to the best of our abilities. So one of the issues we faced was material handling and equipment to move the food around our warehouse, to recover it, to get it off of the trucks, and then to ultimately distribute that to the community. In 2016, we underwent a capacity building project. We wanted to update our warehouse, we wanted to get new coolers and freezers, new racking, new material handling equipment, and we were able to do that, but one of the last things that we needed is we needed a new forklift. The forklift that we previously had was old, it was out of date, and it was starting to cost us quite a bit of money to maintain, which was taking away from our mission of feeding the hungry. And we were fortunate enough to be given a forklift by the Raymond Corporation, which has made all the difference in our warehouse. The forklift helped us in a few ways, more ways than one. Not only does it help us move food, but it also helps with our newly implemented job training program. So emergency food is really just a band-aid, but if we can get people employed and self-sustaining, then we really think that that has a lasting effect on individuals. And this forklift came at the perfect time when we implemented this program, to where now we can train those individuals on this brand new forklift. They can then go on with that experience to become employed and no longer need our services. So the job training program that we call C.H.O.W Works has been incredibly successful. 60% of the individuals that graduate receive employment, full-time employment, before they leave the program. And the other 20% receive full-time employment 4 weeks after graduation. So it's been incredibly successful. So just to give you an idea of the increase in food donations and food distribution, in 2014, C.H.O.W distributed 1.4 million pounds of food. And I'm happy to say that in 2018, we distributed 2.2 million pounds of food. So you can see the growth in food distribution is exponential, and this forklift has been instrumental in handling that food and making sure it gets to the right individuals.